Can we take an impulse entry? 50 minutes to extended, 30 minutes. Range is nearby. We can't enter. It may reject from this week. 1 hour same rejection. Think it's better to wait. Yeah, impulse entry is not right here. It gonna fill this week. 30 minutes gonna close. Bullish. Now we can enter. Can expect a 1:1 2. Is there any range outside? Left side. Anticipated breakout. 30 minutes same, 50 minutes same. Think we can expect a pullback or a counter trend bar to form. Next candle can be in take trade. It is too extended. I am not entering anywhere in this trend. Now we can expect a counter trend entry. Without week we can't enter, or we can expect a pullback. Now this is not a bad entry. This is extended too big. I told you it was not good entry. We can enter here. Gonna fill this week. 30 minutes same. If this breaks previous candle high, I'm gonna enter. This is a pullback entry. Why? It's gonna. Think it's better to wait to break this level to continue push down. Yeah, that was right. There is a rejection here. This is in a consolidation now. Now this thread, it was closed below the support and we could up and continue to fill this range with this target. That was exactly happened. Now we can expect in 15 quick fill in 15 minutes. Again, we can expect a quick fill if this breaks this low, current candle low. No, it didn't happen. Why? Think better to wait for 15-minute candle close. Yes, exactly. Now I can enter, I think I can expect to fill this range. No, it was actually not. It was actually a pullback. If this breaks one candle high, I'm gonna enter. Fill this range. Yes, that was a great entry breakout. The 15 minutes. I didn't actually care about the bias when I am here. It was pushed up and created a big wick, and it was a trend reversal. I didn't know to do that, and then goes up in 30 minutes. I thought it gonna finish weak because the whole trend is downside, and this current candle gonna wick upside, and gonna fill this wick range. This is a great breakout entry in both time frames, 15 and 30 minutes. 1 hour great breakout entry. Same 4 hour wick fill. Whenever all the time frames. Use entry at the same time in all time frames. I think it's better to avoid these things. It's gonna consolidate a little bit. It's not a great. This is against the trend. I don't think so. It's gonna reject from here. I'm avoiding this. Now we can enter. Look at that huge wick. We can enter under the 1 minute rule, the 2 minute rule. Think I can think it's better to close here. Yeah, exactly. As I just told you. Rejected from the resistance. What is my bias right now? What is my plan right now? If this candle closes strongly, we can enter next candle to upside. 30 minutes bullish, 15 minutes bullish. Better to wait for this candle. Yes. Now after the wick up, huge wick to downside and then reverse, I make an enter here. That was an impulse entry. 12:45 London session. 30 minutes extended. but 15 minutes isn't. Just 3 minutes. Can expect to this candle as target. If this wicks up and goes down, we can enter. Yes, entry point should be here. We cross it, we not gonna enter here. I might try this. I think if this candles closes bullish above this range, we can enter the next candle top side. That was huge move. Can we enter here? Better to avoid. Yeah, as a plan, it was closed above the support, above the resistance. If this can breaks its own high, I'm gonna enter. Buy. I think we're gonna take a sell because the trend is downside. I think it's gonna push down, and there's a resistance in 30 minutes at the same level. Exactly. It's gonna fill this range. This candle breaks its own low. We're gonna enter. Yes, exactly. Breakout entry after candle close this below. 30 minutes same candle entry. If this candle closes bullish, we can enter a buy in the next candle. It may can fall also. It may reverse and go up, or it gonna continue go downside, and then we can see a sell opportunity in the next candle. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we can expect a wick fill if leaves a range. This candle leaves a range. There is no wick. I think we still can enter. There's so much volume. I decided to enter. Yeah, that was actually hit the target first and then reverse down. This is no trade range. This candle structure was upside and the trend is upside, current trend. This is candle gonna close and up above the resistance, we're gonna enter a buy. It's not good to enter here because there's so many rejections. Candles are showing upside momentum. That means didn't close. Think we can enter impulse. No, that was not a good because there are so many rejections and there is no wick to this candle and the trend is downside. Overall trend is downside. In 30 minutes it gives given a pullback entry. If this is gonna break the previous candle low, I think we can enter a sell. Range can be here and it may can also reach from here. It didn't work. Oh, this is the reason for this candle fall. 1 hour flipped and at the same time here whenever it gives a breakout and candle closes like this with the wick space and the next candle wicks up and goes downside, it's gonna fail. It's gonna have a high chance to fail. This was a great impulse. Yeah, because of 30 minutes and the 1 hour support. Entry can be here. Yeah. Because of the 1 hour support. We're gonna enter here. Yeah. That trend is downside. Too extended, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Better not to enter. And there is no range here. We can enter here, it's gonna feel this way. I'm not entering. Very low probability. Yeah, exactly, it's low probable. I'm gonna close this range. Not red range. 30 minutes, 1 hour support. Can you expect? Think we can expect a breakout if this candle and it is supposed to be here after the previous candle break. We're gonna take body as the SL. It was too extended. Now I think it's gonna continue push up. There is a red bar formed in 50 minutes, 30 minutes, reversing again. Yes, it has exactly happened. 30 minutes or extended. It was taken a pullback with the wick, and in low time frame it was a pullback. Formed a red candle and gone up. Think there is no range here to take a sell. Think it's better to wait for a pullback like that. It's gone like that. Man, this is huge. It was actually break one candle high, and there are two weak rejections. That's why I think it's didn't go up. Think I can hold to this level. This is a great entry. This is clean range, clean top wick and gone down. Nice support and break closed below and gone down. It's gonna fill this week. Too extended. I don't think it's gonna fill. Yeah, too extended. Think it's gonna go up without 2 minute rule. And there's a resistance 20 minutes. I don't think so. Yeah, it will gone. And without a wick, it's gonna fill this range. Yes, right. Because of the trend support and the clean range.